Starting with dessert first, but you could also use it as a side dish, especially if you're doing stuff on the barbecue. So I'm just going to cut the skin off. So we had broccoli over there on the shelf. We're going to do broccoli in our soup. We had the shish kebabs over there, veggies, and they have red peppers, onions, mushrooms, the purple onions, red onions, and green peppers. All of this I'm going to put in a pan, saute it, get it soft, along with our carrots, and then it will all be ground down. So I have my water hot, just so this will stir up. 1 tablespoon, because I'm making such a big pot. I have my invisible spoon. I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic. Okay. And
you didn't measure it correctly. You only just did
it's invisible. You didn't see it. Boy, a stickler over here. And I think I'll do a tablespoon of turmeric as well. You don't eat turmeric. Yeah. Tattletale.